Welcome. Today we are making Lebanese Shorbat, a budget-friendly red lentil soup that turns simple pantry ingredients into a creamy, comforting bowl. This recipe serves 4 and takes about 35 minutes from start to finish. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 cup of red lentils gives this soup its creamy body and golden color, and it cooks quickly without soaking. 1 medium yellow onion builds the sweet savory base, so choose one that feels firm and heavy for its size. 1 medium carrot adds gentle sweetness and helps deepen the warm orange color of the soup. 2 cloves of garlic bring a rounded aroma that supports the lentils without overpowering them. 2 tablespoons of olive oil help soften the vegetables and give the soup a silky finish. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin is the warm Lebanese note that makes the soup taste deep and comforting. 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric boosts the golden color and adds a quiet earthy flavor. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt seasons the lentils from the inside as they boil. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper adds just enough gentle heat to balance the sweetness of the vegetables. For cups of water, keep this recipe inexpensive while giving the lentils enough room to soften into a smooth soup. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice go in at the end to brighten the soup and lift the cumin. 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley finish the bowl with freshness and a clean green contrast. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 1 cup of red lentils under cool water for about 1 minute, until the water runs mostly clear, then drain them well. Now that the lentils are drained, dice 1 medium yellow onion into small even pieces for about 2 minutes, so it softens quickly in the pot. Dice 1 medium carrot into small pieces, close to the size of the onion, and take about 2 minutes so everything cooks evenly. Mince 2 cloves of garlic finely for about 1 minute, because small pieces release flavor fast without needing a long cook. Warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the Dutch oven over medium heat for 1 minute, then add the onion and carrot and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often, until they begin to soften. Add the 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, then stir for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the drained 1 cup of red lentils and 4 cups of water to the pot, then stir well for 30 seconds so the lentils spread evenly. Turn the heat to high and bring the soup to a full boil, which takes about 5 minutes, then let it boil for 1 minute and skim off any foam from the surface. Reduce the heat to low, leave the pot partly covered, and simmer for 20 minutes, stirring halfway through, until the lentils are very soft and starting to fall apart. Use the spoon to mash part of the soup against the side of the pot for 1 minute, keeping some texture while making the broth creamy. Stir in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, then simmer the soup on low heat for 2 minutes so the brightness blends into the cumin and lentils. Turn off the heat and let the soup rest for 5 minutes, so the texture settles and the flavors round out before serving. Ladle the hot soup into the deep serving bowl, filling it nearly to the rim, then let the surface settle for 1 minute. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley exactly in the center and serve the soup warm right away. This finishes the recipe. And there it is, Lebanese Shorbat that is creamy, bright, comforting, and still budget-friendly, just as promised. Serve it warm and enjoy every spoonful. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell.